How to fix iPhone battery draining after iOS 26 update. So if you have recently updated your iPhone to the latest iOS 26, you may experience your battery draining quicker than usual. So let's troubleshoot and see some of the things that you can do to fix this problem. Now the first thing that you want to do is go into settings. So on your home screen, go into settings and scroll down and tap on display and brightness. So I'll go back in here, settings, then we go into display and brightness. Now scroll down and make sure always on display is turned off. At the moment I have it off, but if you have it switch on, you can turn it off, because having the always display turns on, then your screen always turn on, and that can drain the battery. So make sure always on display is switch off. So that's the first one. And the next solution is to close all your apps that is currently open. So swipe up at the bottom here. This will open up the apps drawer. So you want to quickly close all the app. So like this. So close all of the open apps. Now it is all closed, and then after you can reopen the apps, because apps in recent drawers sometimes can drain the battery. Now moving on to the next solution is to force the phone to restart. So you can press on the volume up, then volume down, then just press and hold on the side button. So here, quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button here. So press on the volume up, then volume down, and then quickly press and hold on the side button. Press and hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, you can let go of the button. Okay, next you can try to update all apps from the App Store. So here we go into the App Store. Then tap on your account profile at the top. From here, we then scroll down and tap on Update All. So tap on Update All. That will update all the apps to make sure they are now compatible and optimized for iOS 26. So oftentimes when iOS is updated, the apps also need to be updated as well, so that they are optimized for the latest iOS installed. So wait for that to finish. And then we move on to the next solution. Okay, on the home screen here, if you tap on settings, and in settings, we scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Okay, once you are in here, we then go down and tap on tracking. So we scroll down here. So we scroll here, tracking. So you want to go into tracking and turn off allow apps to request to track. So we don't really need for apps to request, simply just denied tracking. So tap on allow ask apps to stop tracking. Okay, so switch them all off, and then we go back to privacy and security. Next, you want to review your location services. So we go into location services. And in here, if you don't need to use location services, you can turn it off. Otherwise, it's fine to have it on, but you can scroll down here and review some of the apps in here to see whether they need to have constant access to location services or not, such as say Pokemon Go here. So sometimes if it is set to always, you want to set it to never, or at least ask next time when you are sharing, next time when you're using the app or when you share. So go down and check for each of the individual apps and make sure it has the appropriate settings. Now if you scroll further down, tap on system services. In here again, we go down and check any of the settings in here that needs to be turned off. If it doesn't need to stay on, you can switch it off. Now, one particular section that I highly recommend you turn off is product improvement. Now, these are just simply information that's sent back to Apple to improve their products. You don't really need to turn it on. Why would you want to turn it on anyway? So simply just turn off product improvement, and this will prevent Apple or iPhone from running on the background, constantly sending data to Apple server. So simply have it switch off. And here you can see allow Apple to use your frequent location information to improve maps. Now we don't really need that, so we can switch it off. Okay, moving on to the next settings. In here, we want to turn off background app refresh. So we go into General, and then scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh, and then tap on background app refresh at the top. In here, tap on the turn on the off option to switch it off. Now, background app refresh will allow apps to constantly running on the background to refresh the data. Now, some of this don't really need to be stay on, because when you open up the app, it will refresh the data anyway. So you can have it off so that it doesn't run on the background, which can cause the apps to quickly drain your battery. As the point here is to preserve the battery, so you want to turn off background app refreshed. Okay, the next thing that you want to check is Apple Intelligence. So if we go back into settings, scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. In here, if you don't use Apple Intelligence, you can switch it off, or if you are using it, then turn it on. But you want to scroll down here and go to the suggestions section and turn off suggestions. So in here, suggestions basically allow the phone to constantly running on the background and look for things to suggest. If you don't really need suggestions, you can switch it off. It is not necessary. So here's the Apple can make suggestions in search and on home screen and lock screen. Sometimes it is not necessary and you don't want suggestions, so you can just turn it off on all of the settings here, because if this is on, it can run on the background and use up your battery. So we don't want that these settings to drain our battery. Simply just to switch it off while still having Apple Intelligence and Siri switch on. Okay, next we're going to check for apps that may cause battery drain. Some apps may have badly written code that can cause battery leak. So what we're going to do is in settings, we're going to go down and tap on battery. In here, if you scroll down and tap on view all battery usage, and then from here we want to look for battery usage on this screen. Now, because I have just recently turned on this phone and I haven't used any apps, so there's no data in here. But if you scroll further down, it should display battery usage by apps, and you can review which apps is using up the battery. Okay, so on my iPhone 17, I have more data here. So in battery usage, if I tap on a particular day, I can scroll down and view for more information. In here, we've got battery usage by apps, and you can see mail using up 3%. If there is any particular app that takes up a huge amount of battery percentage in here, then you ought to quickly take a look at it and investigate to see if it's right or not. If the app is using too much battery and draining out your battery life, then you can simply delete it. You can touch and hold on an app and then choose delete down here, remove app, and delete the app. Now you can always reinstall the app later on if you need to use it again. And so simply go into your settings and go through the list and review any of the apps that is using too much of your battery. Okay, moving on to the next things is we want to turn off journaling. Now journaling is a new app recently comes with the latest iOS. So if you go into settings and scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. In here we look for the journaling app, journal, so tap on that, and here you can see we have journal, and a lot of the things in here can be turned off, such as show suggested moments, so you can switch off suggestions and general suggestions in here. Go in here and turn off any of the settings that may appear, because when journaling suggestions is turned on, it constantly running on the background, searching for photos or your activities on the iPhones, and it will try to suggest you to do something. Now, because it's running on the background, it can always going to drain your battery. So if you're not using journaling or the journal app, you can simply turn off all the settings in here. So you can see a lot of the settings in here. Search, you can switch it off, so it is not necessary to turn on. So here we can turn off all the settings in the journal app so that we can minimize any background activities from this app. Okay, so I have switched all the settings off on this device for the journal app so that it doesn't run on the background. Okay, lastly, you want to make sure your iOS is up to date. So we can go into settings, then tap on general, and then tap on software update. In here, make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS. Any older versions may have issues and cause battery leak. So you want to always go in here and update your iPhone to the latest iOS to prevent any battery drain. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching this video.